Hi, it's Deborah Christensen from Hoax-Slayer.com here. Imagine you wake up one morning and you're checking your emails and you see an email claiming you must appear in court on a certain date. This is the first you've heard about any court date, but the message says you can get more information by opening an attached file or clicking a link. The email is certainly not a legitimate court notice. But in the heat of the moment, especially if you haven't had your coffee yet, you may just go ahead and open the attachment or click the link. But by doing so, you can infect your computer with malware. Unfortunately, similar scenarios have been played out again and again over the last year or so. People around the world continue to infect their computers via these fake court notice emails. Some of the emails claim to come directly from the clerk of the court. Others claim to come from a particular law firm. Often the criminals use the names and logos of real law firms to make their claims seem more legitimate. Why would a scammer send such a worrying email like this to you? Well, in fact, they're sending out tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of these emails all at once. The scammers are counting on the shock or the fear factor to cause a few people to open their links or attachments, especially as some people may have current court or ongoing legal matters. However, all the emails harbour malware. Some have the malware in an attached file. Others try to trick you into clicking a link that opens a website that contains the malware. Once installed, the malware can download even more malware and allows criminals to control the infected computer from afar. The infected computer may be joined to a botnet. A botnet is a collection of computers controlled by criminals that can be used to send out spam, scam, and malware emails and conduct other criminal activities. So, remember that courts and legal firms are very unlikely to send you an unsolicited email claiming you must appear in court. If you get such an email, do not click any links or open any attachments that it contains. If you have any concerns, contact the court or law firm directly to check. But don't use the contact details listed in the email, as they may direct you back to the criminals. Instead, find the contact details for the court or law firm from a phone directory.